Hi, I'm Madelaine. I'm the owner of Sparkle Lifestyle Medispa, and today I'm talking about Botox. So if you're watching this video, you're curious about it. Maybe you had it in the past and you're just trying to understand who we are, or you're nervous. Maybe you're just starting to see a little bit of line in your forehead or frown line. Those are totally normal. They come with time because your skin don't have the elasticity it used to have. So that's why Botox is a really good treatment for the movement muscle that create line in your face as we age. So the way Botox works here at Sparkle, you need to reach out and book a pre-consultation. During that pre-consultation, you will meet either in person, via phone or video call usually. We will review your medical history. We will answer your question, your goal, what you've done in the past, where you want to go. We'll discuss your budget, also your main concern. Her job is to make sure that it's safe for you and it's the right treatment for you, for your goals and need, right? Also, during that consultation, we'll take all your information and we'll get the prescription that you need from Botox, because you need a prescription from a doctor for it. We have doctors here, so we'll take care of that. Then after that appointment, you will come for your treatment. So you may come for that Botox appointment that you wanted, or maybe during that pre-consult you realize that it was not exactly what you needed, and that's okay too. But if you do come for your Botox appointment, you'll then meet probably the person that you had that pre-consultation with, just to make sure that you don't have any more questions, that we're still going for the same game plan that we talked about, or take your pictures or that stuff. So usually you'll meet that person again, then you'll meet the service provider, the person that will do your treatment. In the case of Botox, going to be probably one of the nurse injectors that we have here. We have amazing ones. And then they'll do the treatment. The treatment of Botox is actually really fast and doesn't take long, and it's actually quite, I wouldn't say comfortable, but it's not painful. It feels like a mosquito bite, I would say. Swell a little bit and then goes away, a little bit of redness, so you're good to go to do your activity. And post-treatment, really important for 24 hours, no heavy exercise, sweating, don't massage the area, just let it be, and then usually 24 hours, you're good to go. Then you will come here for a follow-up appointment 2 weeks after. If everything is okay, we still like to know that everything is okay, but if sometimes it happened that things are not perfectly equal, or maybe you need a little bit more, because we do have tendency to go the less the better, so we can add, but if we put too much, we can't reverse it, right? So that's why we prefer going slow at first and then add as we go. So for that second appointment, we just make sure that everything is going well, and then Botox should last between 3 and 4 months. Everybody's different, but that's the goal there. And then when you come for your second appointment, we want a little bit of movement in your face. We don't want you to still be frozen, and ideally, you're not back to square one. So somewhere in the middle. Usually it happens between 3 and 4 months to do that. And if you like it, we do have packages, we do have VIP program, we have all that here. Example, you pay a little fee every month, and then you have your Botox covered for the year. All things we can discuss during that consultation or during that second appointment. So that's usually how it works here. We've been around since 2012. We have doctors, nurses, we have tons of experience. At any point, if you have any question, feel free to reach out. That's what we're here for, and can't wait to meet you. Bye-bye.